are the signs of not drinking enough water. The signs are dehydration, headache, delirium, confusion, tiredness, fatigue, dizziness, weakness, lightheadedness, dry mouth and/or dry cough, high heart rate and low blood pressure, loss of appetite but maybe craving sugar, flushed red skin, swollen feet, muscle cramps, and heat intolerance or chills. So, please drink a lot of water to combat any illness that is lurking. Bye. What will happen if you should start drinking enough water? Well, you'll feel less hungry and may even lose some weight. You'll probably experience more comfortable digestion, less heartburn. Your bowel movements might be easier and more regular. Your teeth and gums will be healthier and more resilient.